because no one's woken me up. Alright, I'm gonna go have breakfast, get dressed, etc. and I'll be back.
All the same things I did. Copycat, tryna cut my manner. Watch your back when you can't watch mine. Copycat, tryna cut my glam.
I'm about to lose my so basically my nail came off and my nail glue lid is like stuck and it's so annoying, so I'm gonna have to either wait till tonight to get it off when my dad's tool bag comes because it got lost, or I'm going to have to walk down to the IGA and I'm gonna have to go get some more, which is so annoying, but what else can I do? Anyway guys, I'm about to go ahead and make my bed, then I'm going to watch through my vlog that I spent 2.5 hours up editing yesterday, which was yesterday's vlog. Anyways, I'm about to go ahead, make my bed, I'll get back to you. We're on the hunt for nail glue, don't know where to find it.
Did it a few times. You just gotta think what.
Back at the rock again. Because we were gonna go climb it, but it's closed because it's so windy. It's cold. I don't have a jumper. This girl fell off her bike, bless her, and she was so embarrassed. I'm like, don't be embarrassed, happens to me all the time. She fell off her bike and it was like, Teaching cave. This cave's in they use this to survive. There's art in it. Nice. The men's cave.
That ambient noise in the background would be quite cool, wouldn't it? Wow, wow, wow.
There are tourists and there are like tourists and tour groups everywhere. Go and have a look in there.
It's a bit low for me. Go on, Sash, you call it, I'll film you, pick up your vlog.
I'm not.
If you come out of the frying pan lax around your throat.
I'm not going in there. God knows what's in there. No, I'm not. There's a pathway up to the rock. Oh. Drawings and stuff. If you're like an Aboriginal though, this would be like a cool place to like hide out. We're being followed by a tour group. Welp. This is where all the old people sat. It's all blackened from the inside from the fires they had. This rock is bigger than my future. What a drop. Looks like the tree has a wart. Children and women make bowls. Step in it, I dare you, Andy. Step in it. Step in the ant's nest and run.
I think they've gone.
I'll do it.
They usually run around the woods.
Don't push me! I touched Uluru, not clickbait. Wait, Dad, because I touched Ezra, does that mean I'm cursed now? Huh?
No, not cursed as I'm taking a bit of that green.
You did? You took a bit back to England when we lived there, that's so bad. So Dad told me how I'm supposed to get a piece of Uluru. So, all these little rocks on the ground. Got a piece. Oh wow. It's telling us about a mole. That's good. I nicked a bit. I'm assuming that this fell off from there. So like, yeet. It's pretty there. There's a little bit there. Yeet. So this is the centre. The cultural centre. Oh. Sorry guys, I'll let you know what happens. What are they saying? My jam, I love it. There's a lot of culture there, like with
false manufactured though.
with loads of art that they made.
Well, the only thing
In the shop.
This was made in China stickers.
Yeah.
It really was. I mean, everything was so exactly the same in the way of those wooden toys.
Yeah.
They weren't handmade. We go back to Uluru.
So do you reckon they just ripped off the made in China stickers?
Oh yeah, Uluru is, sorry.
And then there was a Japanese guy who's trying to open up the doorway. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're gonna go ride some camels. Oh my god. It's my new friend. His name's Boston. Is that a llama? Is that a llama? Does it have like alpaca's head? Never mind, that's a camel. Oh, it's walking. It's walking!
Yeah, by the nose you got camel train. Going by the ear again.
Oh my god. I'm getting chased by a rooster.
No.
Look at all those chickens. Oh my god. Andy, I'm getting... chased by a chicken. I'm really scared right now. Oh my god. Hello, guy. Hi. Okay. I'm really scared of that chicken. Oh, a rooster or whatever it is. Is that a baby camel?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It's adorable. It's
You want to get bited by
a fluffy chicken.
That little chicken.
Me.
that? Yeah.
Me. In Australia, quite a couple of years ago, we had an emu war. We lost it.
Big Bob.
I'm saying, what animal is it? I'm really scared of that rooster. Shook. Shook. Look at these little stuffed animals. They're so cute. These look so... These are so warm. Camel milk? They have camel milk. Camel milk exists?
Monday is.
Leather dressing.
So I've got availability on our sunset tour.
Getting a camel tour
This one
tomorrow.
here is the short rides.
We're riding camels tomorrow. It's the camel that didn't want to get up.
I'll put you down 19.
Darcy. She used to be one of my modern family characters that showed she was going for her past life to be a camel now. Free bag of kangaroo and emu food. Want to have some, Andy?
No. You want?
Oh!
Cool, you have your hand off.
Yeah, I'll just give him the bag.
Well, you won't have any bag left.
No, you won't have any
Just
bag
see
left.
that thing's coming in. Watch out, he's Gavin. Look at that, bend that neck.
Rooster's back. Oh, Dad! Dad! Stop! Oh, God! Kangaroo needs to wake up. Whoa! Oh my God!
Everybody stop being like that.
Oh!
Mind you don't eat another plastic nail.
You're allowed to freak the camel with it.
Your camel's after a bit, look.
Oh shit!
Interesting.
Oh shit! That feels so weird.
Oh, just hold your hand at cup. Just cup it and hold it like that, that's it. Just don't let him bite your fingers. A few more.
Oh, I love goats. There you go, guys. There you go. You got your new best mate, Dad? Don't feed it.
Yeah, do you want some more? You can chuck some in that bin, I suppose.
Oh, behind you, Belinda. The emu.
Is there anything in that bin? Look at that head darting round. It's like a snake. God, dear, they love it, don't they?
And then there's the emu.
Nowhere near Skippy. Come on, Skippy.
A mule and an ass.
Yeah.
A big ass. I've got his cousin on my hat.
Can I pat it? Fine. I want to pet the mule.
He's eating it.
Yes, yeah.
So two of my friends, I asked them what they wanted me to get them from Ayers Rock or Uluru, and they said they wanted red dirt, so I'm going to get them some red dirt. Okay. Found some. I got them their red dirt.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.
Day 2. Interesting. It's really nice out here. Like, I mean, there are camels. Tomorrow we're going riding on a camel. It's gonna be really fun. And yeah, when we were coming out of the museum, there was this Japanese guy, and the door was locked and he couldn't get in his car, and his mate was sitting in the car, and he started like going like that, trying to like open the door, like, oh, it was really funny. But anyway, just sit out here, look at the sand, drink the tea, we're good to go. I'm off to reception to find a tool bag for my dad, and I'm gonna go like shopping and stuff, so yay! I'm slowly finding my way. It's just taking a bit longer than expected. But I have a good sense of direction, so I probably won't get lost. I'm finding it. Oh, I'm pretty close. Told you I have a good sense of direction, my dudes. The lost camel. Well, we are staying in the emu park. So there's different sections. There's like the camel, then there's the emu and like the wallaby, etc. We're staying in the emu. So this is the camel. Okay, I'll find it. Bear with me. I'm lost. Alright. I take back my sense of direction. My sense of direction in an unknown area is terrible. I have no clue where I'm going, but I'm just gonna walk back and I'm gonna go from there. This is terrible. Teenage girl with a vlogging camera with a backpack and Converses and short shorts is not a good look. Hey guys, don't mind me, I'm a tourist on vacay. Look at this art. Oh, I'm being watched. Subscribe, Kawaii Penna 123. Anyway, I know this is like a really bad time to promote my merch, but I bought my merch on this trip with me. www.lovekp.com. Get your shirts now, and pop sockets might or might not be coming out. I've made designs and everything, and I'm going to see if the people like them, so you should definitely go buy. I give up. I'm going to ask someone. I'm all goods. This kind man at the information desk told me where to go, and I'm going on the main road, but what else am I going to do to go ahead and find this, this reception desk to get Dad's tool bag to see if it's come yet. And if it hasn't come yet, I'm going to be pissed. If you've ever seen the movie Wolf Creek, I'm pretty much an attraction for that right now. I found it. I found reception. I'm so happy. This couple right behind me as I was walking, they just started going like it's like honey, the vlogger life, get with it. they haven't got Dad's bag yet. It's coming like 3:30. I have to wait like an hour, then I have to come back, but I'm getting a cute little tan, so why not? And I'm gonna go shopping, gonna buy a few things for my friends, buy a few things for me, buy a few things for my sister. Probably gonna get some more food. Yeah, because I want to make. Ooh, what's that? I can't read from here. There's like a little bushwalk. I'm going later, Dad. I'm going on this bushwalk. Alright, cool. Probably gonna get attacked. That's cool, whatever. For the views, I guess. Anyway, I'm going on this bushwalk. It's great. There's a couple coming up to me. They're gonna be staring at me again. I'm probably gonna get lost, and if I do, I'm going to laugh my guts off. I've got sand in my shoe. I hate my life, but who cares? It's all worth it, vacay, gang gang. Shook. I would walk much further, but I really can't bothered, so when I find a bench, I'm emptying my shoes out because these boots were not the shoes to wear on a sandy bushwalk. Got some of the sand out my shoes. It's better than nothing. Mine. I'm gonna go shopping. Gang gang. I'm a cool kid now. There we go. That's ours, but we're not going back in there just yet. We're gonna go Dora exploring. Thinking of getting these for me, my best friend, and my sister. I'll come back. Bought something for my best friend, my sister, and there's my beautiful girl doing some art. So cool. Guys, I have tea, literally and figuratively. Again, I have peanut M&Ms. And I have presents, which I'll get to in a minute. Oh great. There's just something that I'd like to address. Oh my. There's something I'd like to address. So when I was walking through, sorry I didn't record all of it. I don't think you guys would like to see me shopping constantly, so I didn't exactly do that. So I've been out for an hour and a half, walking around, looking around. I went on a cute little bush walk. I'll set a photo here of the view of the Ez Rock I got. Anyway, so I was walking, and there was these old people, okay, and it's hot, okay, I'm wearing short shorts, I'm wearing a camo shirt, I've got fake nails, I've got Converses on, I'm the typical teenage girl, okay, with a cute little tumbler backpack. So, and round glasses and an iPhone X, okay? Typical teenage girl walking around Uluru. Anyway, so I'm walking by myself because my dad is back at home, my mum's sleeping, and our family friends are out looking around as well, but I was on my own. And anyway, so oh my god, I'm about to lose my rag. You know what? You can sit there. Anyway, so I was walking around and this group, this couple, I caught them on video earlier. They looked at me like, bitch, what? You don't look at me like that, okay? I will ruin your life. No, I won't actually, but don't look at me like that, please. Anyway, I got so embarrassed because you can't look at someone like that, especially a teenager, since the teenagers are self-conscious nowadays. Like, this is who I am. I wear short shorts. I wear these type of shirts. I wear fake nails like 10 emoji, gang gang. And sorry that I don't dress like a 70-year-old granny, but it's like when people say be yourself, you own it. If someone is horrible to you, you own it. Like, seriously. Anyway, I'm gonna get to what I bought my friends. So, just give me a moment, guys. So I bought this for one of my best friend, Nicole, because, like, with an emu there, yeah. She always goes, oh my god, it looks like me. Oh my god, it looks like me. And I saw it, and I was like, it's Nicole. So I got her an emu. Anyway, next I got my sister this dingo. I got her the dingo because she has a dog that has this tail. His name is Charles. He's adorable. Anyway, and I went, oh my god, it looks like her dog. So I went, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and buy her this. So I bought her the dingo. Then I got myself a platypus because I look like a platypus. So I got myself a platypus. Anyway, I'm so pleased with them. And then I got myself some peanut M&Ms and a cup of tea. I'm sitting outside in the outback and I'm about to go ahead and watch Netflix. So that's the tea. That's the tea, guys. Anyway, we're going to chill at home for a little bit and then I'll get back to you later. But I hope you're having as much fun watching this as I did. Because by the time I upload this, I'll be at home. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get back to watching Netflix, watching YouTube, because I have good Wi-Fi here. And, because I was using my data before, but then they're like, oh, we have Wi-Fi. And I was like, so I just turned my data off and I went ahead and went onto their Wi-Fi, so that's great. Anyway, I'm going to drink my tea. I'm going to eat my M&Ms and enjoy the afternoon. And I'll get back to you when we're next doing something. Do I look 8 to you?
Yeah.
Eat a whole one.
What are you having, Mum?
Doing sham.
Hopefully that's just as well. I'm hoping there's a couple of bits more on there.
Yeah.
Say hello, Mum. Ma'am.
Linda had her hand cut today by a beak of an emu.
Saskia showed me. Wait. Simon?
He's not well.
Selling me.
Well, you didn't send her any with me.
I did.
I'm looking away.
Healthiness. So we're going ahead and looking at the stars, and I'm so keen for it, you don't even know.
Mad as I was expecting. Because it's not dark enough. Because the moon's too bright.
You can't really see the stars, but
I'll turn it back.
there's actually quite a lot, and it's actually really pretty.
You can see the brightness of
Right there.
There's a band of
That's a
stars.
planet. That's a planet. It's a moon. And that's a planet.
Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel and meet me at the hotel room. Get a glass of boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can bring
This is why I need friends. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay kawaii, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Uluru.
You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run, there's nothing to help. Watch me